Hello everyone, it's Art Rose and today we'll make this beautiful star themed card which will have some 3D stars and some glitter stars, and inside you will get a beautiful space to write messages. So let's start. First of all, we'll use the white paper to make the card, and we will add a black card R-shaped. We'll flip the card and place it over the white. Next we will add the stars. We will use 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 stars, and we will add this small piece of paper to write a special message on top of it. Next we'll add the inside part. We used color paper to do this part, and let's finish it with some glitter effects on it. It's done. You can see we have added the stars and add some glitter effects over it, added some special 3D stars, and you can see it have beautiful finishing. You can touch it without getting the glitters on your hand. And inside we have added some dots to make it magical. You can write here messages or any quotes. So that was it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like and share if you like this.